Hey, quantum enthusiasts! Almost 5 years ago, when I first joined IBM Quantum, one of the very first things I did was apply to become a Qiskit advocate. You might be wondering, what exactly is an advocate? It's actually a common role across many developer communities, not just in quantum computing. Advocates are enthusiasts, researchers, hobbyists, and students from all over the globe, united by their passion for teaching others about Qiskit, the premier quantum software developer kit. I realized that for me, becoming an advocate was key to deeply understanding the quantum community and staying updated on the latest Qiskit advances. I studied, took the certification exam, contributed to GitHub, and was accepted into this incredible community. And today, we're opening applications to the new Qiskit Advocates program, and this is your official invitation to join us. You don't have to be part of IBM or even work in quantum computing. We want anyone passionate about experimenting with state-of-the-art quantum software, educating others about quantum technologies, and contributing directly to the Qiskit SDK. As a Qiskit advocate, you can gain unprecedented access to quantum devices, expert mentorship, and invaluable resources to boost your quantum computing journey. So, how can you join us? There are a few different ways, including passing the Qiskit Developer Certification Exam and completing courses on the IBM Quantum Learning Platform. But all the details you need are linked in the description below. This program truly has the potential to transform your career and life. We can't wait to welcome you.